Welcome viewers. So unlike other videos, this is going to be a very short and a quick video because today I'm not going to be driving while talking to you, but instead today I have something to unbox that is over here. So this is a new accessory that I ordered from Amazon, and I was eagerly waiting for this because it actually makes driving much easier. I think that gives a clue over there. So let's get to the unboxing and let's install it and see how it actually works and whether it is effective or not. So yeah, let's get started. So this is basically something which I was looking for like quite some time now, especially during summer. It helps. I'll just explain in a minute what I mean. Okay, we are in. It's a nice view out there. Hello, doggy. You want to subscribe? Finally, let's get rid of that cardboard over there. And here we are. One last plastic. This. Okay. It's been a lot of plastic now, but finally. Any guesses? I mean, you saw the text on the box, right? Oh, okay. So I'll just give you a quick hint. Let's see what is written over there. Okay, blah blah blah, some documentations that we can ignore. Okay, so this is basically a ventilated seat cover. This is an accessory. So obviously my car doesn't have a built-in one, and that's why I ordered it separately. So this is the rear look of it. So this is the rear look of it. It has some sticky pads type of thing. And we have these hooks kind of which will go behind the seat. Oh, I'm holding it. This is the way it will be sitting. And this will go behind your headrest. And I think it has fans in between. Just for some demo. This is how it looks. I mean, this is how it will look once I install it. So, and this is the 12-volt socket. Okay, so let's get started with the installation now. So first of all, this small belt, done so. This doesn't look right. Okay, that's good. This will go over there. We'll plug it in later. Now let's make sense of these hooks. I think for this we'll have to go behind. Okay. You know what? Let's open the headrest first of all. Make it more easily accessible. First of all, let's pass these hooks over behind. Yep, those hooks are visible. So now just need to make it perpendicular. Come on. So this is what will prevent the ventilated seat cover from actually moving while driving. I'll fix this later. That's fine. Now let's get back the headrest part. Plug in this for the third time now. And you're done. Took me what, like 5 minutes? 10 minutes? What, it actually looks good. Goes well with the interior of car. Window shade also, no? It's like leatherette feeling. And this is a very mesh plastic kind of thing. So yeah, very breathable. And let's move the seat back. Okay. And now, let's push this. And now we have to plug this 12-volt socket. Now the thing is, you can see two sort of connectors, right? Yeah. So basically they're meant as a pair. So if you want a co-passenger ventilated seat also, so you can plug both of them using this. But since I have only one right now, so only one will be plugged. And this will go over here. Okay. And this is a ventilated seat button. So basically this controls the speed of the fans that are running in this ventilated seat cover. Let's see if the seat is moving or not. Nope. It's quite firm actually. Okay, let's start the engine. I think you'll have to read the instructions. Okay, now we have to wait for 5 seconds. Then press and hold the power button, which I think is this only. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay, I can feel it working now. Oh man, that's so good. So reds means highest speed, okay. So let's turn it down. Hopefully you can hear the fan noise also. So that's from this ventilated seat itself. Okay, this is the medium speed. And this is the lowermost speed, okay. You know what? I actually can feel the seat like cooling down immediately. On my back it's slightly on the slower side. I can hear the sound. You know what? It's actually working very well. Okay, I'll try to showcase its. So basically it sucks. It does not blow. So every time you switch on your vehicle, you will have to give it some second. Give it like 3 seconds. Then hold the power button for 3 seconds again, and the fans boot up. And definitely this has changed. I mean, let me show you. This has definitely affected the seat height that I used to sit upon, and this is kind of getting in way right now since this is not very curved. Maybe I can use a double-sided tape. Yeah, this is how it looks. The back is fine. The rear I think can be, either my seats are small so that's why it's sticking out, but if you have a slightly larger car, I think it should sufficiently cover it. Let me try driving with this on. So as soon as the AC is turned on and the ambient temperature goes down within the cabin, and I tell you what, I commute to my work for like 1 hour, one side at least, that's the minimum. and until unless it's very cold out there, because of the leathered seats, there's no ventilation at my back, right? So by the time I reach office, and even before that, like after 10-15 minutes of leaving home, and even if the AC is turned on, the back would still get all sweaty and everything. So if you guys are also interested in buying this accessory for your car, I will highly recommend this. These type of accessories actually save you a lot of energy because you're not sweating throughout your way. For me, I will rate this like 9 out of 10 because it's actually working very good. It's a bit noisy, like you can still hear it even if it's on the lower side. I'm directing 1 mark just because the back comes up slightly late. I mean, at least it takes time for me to notice compared to the bottom area. But otherwise, now it's working very flawlessly. And yeah, I would definitely recommend you if you are a daily commuter. I'll provide the link for this. Do check out the description in this video. This is from RigGear. You can get it in a pair of two also. So like both for passenger and driver seats, and you can plug them together. And if your car has slightly larger seats, like if you have a Nexon for example, then these will fit very perfectly. For my case, this is coming slightly out, but even then it's fine. It's not a major issue. So yeah, highly recommend it. And do let me know what do you guys think of this. It has started raining unfortunately. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.